Hey, what's up everyone? John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com. Okay, so I just want to, this is the 10,000 subscriber video. So I just want to thank everyone, thank all of you out there who have helped support this channel. 10,000 subscribers, that's pretty freaking awesome. I had the goal for this year to hit 10,000 by the end of the year, and it was a bit of a stretch goal because I think around the beginning of this year I was sitting at around 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. So wow, awesome. Well, I'm very excited. I mean, this is cool. I love to be able to reach more people. I had a blast actually this weekend meeting some YouTubers in person who have like big, 400,000, 1 million subscriber channels, and so it's kind of inspiring and exciting to see where this can really go. So I just want to give a big thank you to all of you who have supported the channel, who's left comments on the channel, even those of you trolls who leave those nasty comments. But there's really not too many. That's one thing. You guys are so awesome. Like I look at other YouTube channels and YouTube videos, and I see all these nasty comments, and gosh, there's I haven't seen too many nasties out there. So I'm thankful for that. That's great. Yeah, and I just want to again just thank everyone that's been watching these videos and subscribing to the channel, and it's time for the next goal, I guess, right? So I guess next on the radar is hitting that 50,000 mark. I think that's a good goal, and I don't know what the timeline. Maybe can this happen by next year? I think that's a good timeline to go up 5x it. We 5x'd it from 2 to 10 in a year, so by the end of the year next year, let's say 50,000 would be the goal. So anyway, you can help me if you want to help me reach that goal, of course, by sharing any of the videos with your friends, with them that on your social media, whatever, if you think it'd be useful. And if you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed, then hell, subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about just my experience in being here on YouTube and creating these videos. It's one of the things that I just really actually enjoy doing with my business. Of all the things that I've kind of grown tired of, I think the one thing that stands out that I have never really grown tired of is creating videos, because I just feel like it's like I'm able to interact with people more so in this format. And of course, I talk a lot, and I like to hear myself talk and watch myself on video. But anyway, it's been fun. I think this is it's interesting, and I'd also encourage if you're watching this video I'd encourage you out there, if you can do this too. Like, you can create a YouTube channel and share the knowledge that you have. And and if you're shy, this is a really good way to overcome shyness, because believe me, when you throw a camera in your face and you upload it for the world to see, it tends to work to overcome shyness. So anyway, I don't know what the plan is going to be going forward at this point. I've got some things in the work. I think I may start producing videos at a higher rate. So I may start doing some daily videos on my iPhone, and I'll still have kind of the higher production ones. I'm curious though, if you're still listening at this point, how many of you, if you want to leave a comment below, I'm interested in gathering a little bit of data here. One on, do you like the high production videos that I have the camera crew do? Would you prefer more of those, or would you don't even care, just pull out your iPhone, John, and just do a video? Like, it's better to be spontaneous and just talk about whatever, that's totally cool. I just want to know like what's interesting to you. And then also, the other thing that I'm really curious about is I want to figure out how many of you that are watching, that are subscribing, if you are not a programmer, right? So obviously my blog and everything, and I kind of cater towards programmers, but I mean, to be honest, like all the stuff that I do with Simple Programmer, none of it really applies only to programmers, right? And that's kind of the thing. So I am thinking about branching out a little bit into a bigger space, but I kind of want to know first, how many of you are non-programmers and just watch the channel anyway, and subscribe. If you leave me a comment below, definitely if you fall in that category, I really appreciate if you leave me a comment below just so I know, and that would be totally awesome. Again, thank you so much everyone for subscribing. When I first started the YouTube channel, I was like, whoa, if I get 1,000 subscribers, that would be pretty awesome. And I enjoy doing this. I never imagined that it'd get up to 10,000. I know it's not that big yet, but it can go up higher. But I want to hit 100,000 million subscribers and reach more and more people. So anyway, that's all I got to say. Big thank you again, and I'll see you at 50,000 in less than a year. All right, take care.